Today we are going to discuss an exceptional topic. Why do you need to build your app for Apple Vision Pro? Well, you might think Apple Vision Pro might just be another VR headset launched in the market, but it's not the case here. Rather, it's a portal to a world of possibilities. And we're here to tell you why you should be a part of it. The problem. Let's be real, the app market is getting crowded with the same boring traditional apps that struggle to stand out, offering the same old experiences on a tiny screen. But what if you could break the mold and create something truly unconventional? Imagine an ecosystem where apps aren't just prisoned into your phone screen. They leap out, becoming an interactive part of your environment. That's the magic of Apple Vision Pro, a spatial computing platform that seamlessly blends the digital and physical worlds. But why should you build your app for this platform? The solution? Well, here's the answer to your why. Unmatched user engagement.
Take your users on an unforgettable journey with 3D experiences by exploring the virtual world that breaks the boundaries.
Modern features. Transform your app into a truly immersive experience with precise motion tracking, spatial awareness, and even realistic spatial audio that sets back your competition. Opens up new revenue streams. With your app, you can make money through in-app purchases for virtual goods, exclusive content through subscription models, or even brand collaborations for sponsorships inside the app's realistic world. The potential is infinite. Be an early adopter. The market is still fresh and exciting. By building an app now, you can position yourself as a leader in this emerging ecosystem and reach a whole new set of audience. Still skeptical about it? Here are some mind-blowing stats for you. So, are you ready to be a part of the future? Let your apps come alive, not just on a screen but all around you.